Hello, welcome back to Desta's Home Living. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and a big thanks to all my fans and subscribers for supporting my channel. So today I want us to make this candy type of snack called peanut chikki, or kashata za karanga in Swahili. So we have two basic ingredients. These are 2 cups of peanuts and 1.5 cups of sugar. The cardamom and oil are just extras, you can do without them. So I'll be putting a tablespoon of cardamom and a tablespoon of oil. So we start by roasting our peanuts. So try and make sure that they're clean and salted, because at times when you buy these ones from the market, you still find the husks within. So make sure that they're clean. We're going to roast this for about 8 to 10 minutes on low medium heat, and we be careful that we don't burn them, because you don't want anything burnt. So keep stirring even as they roast, so that they get evenly roasted. When they are well roasted, you let them cool, and it becomes easy to remove their skins, because you want them skinless. And to know that they're ready, they first change their color, and also you may start hearing some cracking sounds. So by this way you know that they're ready. So now they have cooled, and it's time to remove the skins. This is the method I use to remove its skin, and it also splits the nuts into 2. So I finished removing the skin, and here they are looking beautiful. So we're going to start making the sugar syrup or caramel, and this is a tablespoon of oil, and into it I'm going to add cardamom, roast for like 10 seconds, and add sugar. So we want the sugar to melt completely, and as you can see, it has started melting, and we need to keep stirring so that it doesn't form hard lumps. So after it has completely melted, this is when now we start adding in our nuts. At this point, you turn off the heat, add in the nuts, and stir quite fast, because it hardens so quick. And you should have prepared a flat surface that you're going to pour in the mixture. Yeah, and the surface needs to be greased so that it doesn't stick. So I'm trying to flatten the surface so that it comes out evenly. So before it completely gets cool, then this is the time you need to slice it through the size, or if you have a mold, then you can as well mold, or you can also use a cookie cutter and come up with different shapes. Be creative. So at this point, it's slightly warm. It needs to be completely cool before you remove it off the surface or the tray. So here it is, it has cooled completely, and I'm trying to take it off, and you can see, because I greased the pan, then it's easy to get it off. Look at this, it's so crunchy and very delicious. So I broke off all the parts, yeah, and yeah, you may go ahead and enjoy. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much as always for watching my videos, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. So if you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing, and see you in my next video. Bye.